As the sun rises, so does the dawn of opportunity. The world is full of possibilities waiting for you to seize them. Just as the universe is infinite, so too are the opportunities that lay before us. Each day is a blank canvas, an uncharted territory waiting for us to explore, to conquer, and to make our own. Just like the sun that faithfully rises, opportunities are constantly emerging. They are like the seeds scattered by the wind, waiting to find fertile ground to take root and grow. And just as there are countless seeds, there are countless opportunities waiting for you to seize them. All it requires is action, the courage to reach out, to grasp these opportunities and make them your own. But seizing these opportunities is not a matter of chance. It calls for strategic planning and goal setting. It's about knowing where you want to go, charting your course, and setting sail towards your destination. It's about having a vision, a clear picture of what you want to achieve, and then making a plan to turn that vision into reality. So, let's talk about strategic planning. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that first step is setting your goal. Your goal is your compass. It's what directs your actions and guides your decisions. It's what keeps you focused and motivated. It's what helps you overcome obstacles and persevere in the face of adversity. But setting a goal is not enough. You need to plan your journey. You need to identify the steps you need to take, the skills you need to acquire, and the resources you need to gather. It's like preparing for a long journey. You wouldn't set off without knowing your route, without packing the necessary supplies, without preparing yourself for the challenges ahead. So, as we embark on this journey together, let's remember that every sunrise presents a new opportunity. Every day is a chance to move one step closer to our goals. Every moment is a chance to make a difference, to make an impact, to leave a legacy. It's time to awaken your potential and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Scene script. Begin with the end in mind. Visualize your success. Picture this. You're standing on the peak of a mountain, the wind rustling your hair, the taste of victory sweet in your mouth. That's the power of visualization, a potent tool in the arsenal of every high achiever. It's about creating a mental image of your success before it happens. Picture Thomas Edison in his lab, visualizing the glow of the electric bulb. Imagine Steve Jobs in his garage, visualizing the birth of a tech giant. These visionaries saw their success before they built it. They painted their victories in their minds, and then they brought them to life. Visualization isn't magic, it's a strategic approach, a way to focus your energies and align your actions towards your goals. It's about seeing the finish line before the race begins. So, what do you see when you close your eyes? What's your mountain peak? Remember, what the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Success doesn't happen by chance, it requires a plan. Let's delve into the realm of strategic planning, a tool so powerful it can turn dreams into reality. Imagine you're an architect. You wouldn't start building a house without a blueprint, would you? Similarly, you can't expect to reach your goals without a well-thought-out plan. Think of a plan as your personal roadmap. It charts your course, outlines your steps, and navigates you through the journey of achievement. Planning is the backbone of success, the engine that propels you toward your goals. Let's consider some examples. Take the tech titans of Silicon Valley. Behind every innovative product, there was a strategic plan. These plans weren't merely about creating a product, but about envisioning its impact on society, predicting potential obstacles, and preparing to overcome them. Or let's look at the world of sports. Every championship team, every gold medal athlete, they all had a plan. They strategized each play, each move, each step toward victory. They didn't just wake up one day and win. They planned, practiced, and perfected their strategy. Even in the culinary world, master chefs don't just throw ingredients together. They plan their menu, carefully select their ingredients, and meticulously prepare each dish. Their success, like all success, is the result of careful and strategic planning. Now let's bring it back to you. Your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, they're all attainable. But they require a plan. A plan that outlines your steps, anticipates challenges, and prepares you to overcome them. A plan that keeps you focused, keeps you motivated, and ultimately leads you to success. So don't just dream about success, plan for it, strategize it, map it out. Because when you plan your path, you're not just hoping for success, you're paving the way for it. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Make your wishes come true by planning your path to success. The path to success is often the one less traveled. These words ring true for many who have dared to step into the unknown, to venture into uncharted territories, and to embrace the unfamiliar. Let's consider the story of a young man who was born into a family of farmers. Tradition dictated that he follow in his forefathers' footsteps, but he had a different dream. He had a passion for technology and a vision of a world connected through the internet. Against all odds and the advice of his well-meaning kin, he ventured into the city, started a small tech firm, and now he's a leading innovator in his field. Then, there's the tale of a woman who, after 2 decades in a stable but unfulfilling corporate job, decided to quit and pursue her passion for baking. She faced skepticism, financial challenges, and even self-doubt. But her determination to follow her heart led her to open a bakery that is now a community staple. Its pastries enjoyed by many. These stories are not anomalies. They are a testament to the power of choosing the road less traveled, of daring to be different, of having the courage to step out of one's comfort zone. It's about breaking free from the chains of conformity and daring to dream beyond the ordinary. But taking this path is not without its challenges. It requires resilience, courage, and an unwavering belief in oneself. It's about understanding that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. It's about learning to embrace the uncertainty, to find beauty in the struggle, and to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Now, imagine if these individuals had chosen the safer, more traveled path. They would have missed out on the opportunity to truly realize their potential, to make a difference, and to live a life they love. So, as we navigate through life, let's remember that the path to success is not always the easiest or most obvious. It's often the one less traveled, the one filled with challenges and uncertainties. But it's also the path that leads to self-discovery, growth, and ultimately, our greatest achievements. Take the path less traveled. It might lead you to your greatest success. Success is no accident. It's hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Let's take a moment to talk about the mighty power of persistence. Imagine a river flowing steadily, carving its path through the landscape. Over time it shapes mountains, forges valleys, and creates new paths. It's not the force of the water that achieves this, but its relentless persistence. This is the power of persistence. It's not about being the strongest or the smartest. It's about never giving up, no matter what obstacles stand in your way. Consider Thomas Edison, one of the greatest inventors of all time. He didn't invent the light bulb on his first try, or his second, or even his 100th. It took him more than 1,000 attempts to get it right, but he didn't give up. He persisted because he believed in his idea, and he loved what he was doing. Remember, persistence isn't just about stubbornly sticking to your guns. It's about learning from your mistakes, adapting, and trying again with a better approach. It's about resilience, the capacity to bounce back from failure, to take a hit, and keep moving forward. In the world of entrepreneurship, this is crucial. The road to success is littered with obstacles, setbacks, and failures. But it's not these hurdles that determine your success. It's your response to them. It's your ability to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and try again. It's your courage to say, I will not quit, I will succeed. So, whether you're working on your next big idea, or simply trying to improve yourself, or your circumstances, remember the power of persistence. Embrace it. Make it a part of who you are. Because the path to success isn't easy, it's not meant to be. But with persistence, with resilience, with love for what you're doing, you can achieve anything. Remember, the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Hear it from those who have walked the path of success. In the words of Thomas Edison, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Edison, the man who gifted us the electric light bulb, knew a thing or two about overcoming obstacles. It's the grit, the tenacity, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that distinguishes the successful from the rest. Just listen to the story of Sarah Breedlove, known as Madam C.J. Walker, the first female self-made millionaire in America. She started life in the cotton fields of Louisiana, but with a dream and a homemade line of hair care products for black women, she built a business empire that still stands today. Her secret? She once said, I got my start by giving myself a start. Or consider the journey of Elon Musk, who is shaping the future of transportation and energy. Before the success of Tesla and SpaceX, Musk faced numerous setbacks. His first rockets exploded and Tesla was on the brink of bankruptcy, but he held on to his vision, saying that, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Success is not a straight line. It's a winding path with peaks and valleys, triumphs and trials. It's about navigating through the storm with an unwavering belief in your vision. Let's take a moment to reflect on the words of Oprah Winfrey, a woman who rose from poverty to become a media mogul. She said, "The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams." These stories, these testimonials of triumph, they show us that success is not about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the courage to start, the determination to keep going, and the resilience to overcome challenges along the way. Remember, success leaves clues. Learn from those who have walked the path before you. Achieving your goals is a cause for celebration. Let's take a moment to bask in the glory of success. It's a sweet culmination of hard work, determination, and unyielding resilience. It's that exhilarating moment when your dreams transform into reality, when every drop of sweat and every sleepless night pays off. Celebrating success isn't just about acknowledging what you've achieved, it's about appreciating the journey that led you there. It's about honoring the countless hours you've invested, the hurdles you've crossed, and the challenges you've overcome. It's about recognizing your growth, your transformation from who you were to who you've become. Success, in all its forms, is worth celebrating. Whether it's a small victory or a monumental achievement, each one is a testament to your capacity to dream and to do. Each success, no matter how big or small, is a ripple in the vast ocean of potential. It's a spark that can ignite a bonfire of accomplishments. But the celebration of success is not just an end in itself. It's a wellspring of motivation. The joy and satisfaction you experience in these moments of triumph fuel your desire to reach even greater heights. They fan the flames of ambition, encouraging you to chase bigger dreams, to set loftier goals. Celebrating your successes creates a positive feedback loop. It reinforces your belief in your abilities, boosts your confidence, and strengthens your resolve. It reminds you of your potential, of the heights you can reach if you dare to aim high. It's like a pat on the back, a reminder that you've got what it takes, and that you can do it again. So don't shy away from celebrating your victories. Embrace them, relish in the joy they bring. Let them inspire you, motivate you, and propel you forward. Let them be a beacon of hope in times of doubt, a source of strength in moments of weakness. Celebrate your successes, they are stepping stones to your dreams. Scene script. Success awaits those who dare to take the first step. We've journeyed together through the dawn of opportunity, visualizing success, the power of planning, the path less traveled, the power of persistence, testimonials of triumph, and the celebration of success. Now it's time for you to embark on your journey. What's stopping you? Is it fear of failure? Or is it the overwhelming magnitude of your dreams? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Every skyscraper begins with a single brick. Every symphony begins with a single note. Every book begins with a single word. And every success story begins with a single action. All the planning, visualizing, and strategizing won't mean a thing if you don't take that first step. It's not about making a giant leap, but about making consistent progress, however small. In the grand scheme of things, it's the small steps that count. Each step, no matter how tiny, brings you closer to your goals. It's about the effort you put in every day, the resilience you show in the face of challenges, and the persistence you demonstrate even when things don't go your way. As we've seen in the testimonials, success doesn't come overnight. It's a result of consistent effort, hard work, and resilience. It's about pushing through the tough times, learning from failures, and never giving up. So, don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The perfect time to start is now. Start with what you have, where you are. Your first step doesn't need to be big. It just needs to be in the right direction. Remember, your journey is unique. Your path, your pace. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Dare to take that step today.